Hello guys, for today's video is nasa gym agad tayo kasi nga wala tayong klase kasi naka-blended learning tayo. So for today's workout is chest workout tayo. So unang ginawa natin sa chest workout is itong flat bench press. So it's 20 kilograms by 20 kilograms. So 40 kilograms lahat yan. Then 15 reps. So 15 reps yan. So yung flat bench press talaga yung inuuna ko pag nag-chest workout ako. The next, stretch mo yan. After ng stretch, flex, flex, then flex. Stretch, then flex, flex. So ang partner ng ating flat bench press na barbell, yung una is barbell yon. This time is dumbbell naman. So sa dumbbell na ginamit natin, it's 18 kilograms by 18 kilograms. So 15 reps pa rin yan, then 3 sets. And after ng 18 kilograms is 20 kilograms by 20 kilograms, 12 reps, then 2 sets. Then last set natin dyan is it's 24 kilograms by 24 kilograms, 8 reps, then 1 set. So yan talaga yung magka-partner. Pag mag flat bench press ka ng barbell, dapat pares nyan is dumbbell. So yan, stretch natin yan, stretch, then flex, flex, flex. So after ng ating flat bench press na chest workout is yung next natin na chest workout is cable chest exercise. So gumamit tayo ng cable for our chest. So first time ko itong ginawa this month. So hopefully the next workout natin is isasama natin to sa routine natin sa chest workout. So yung timbang niyan is hindi ako sure kasi nga naka by bar yan. So pag tinimbang natin is mga around nasa mga 21 or 20 kilograms. So 15 reps pa rin yan, 15 reps. Then after ng ating cable chest workout is ito naman is chest dips. So in the previous natin na mga video is nakita nyo na to, chest dips. Dips ang tawag kasi nga ididip yung ididip yung chest natin pababa. So it's 15 reps, then 3 sets. So chest dips. Medyo masakit-sakit yan mga lods. So yan. Then since nandun tayo na machine, so yung machine na yan is pwede kasi yan sa sa pang abs natin. So ang tawag dyan is leg raise. So i-raise yung leg natin. So ang tinitira niyan is lower abs. Yan. So it's 15 reps leg raise. Then after ng leg raise natin is ito roller ab roller workout. So ang gamit natin diyan is yung pang roll, of course. So pag beginner ka, iba yung angle ng pang beginner. Then iba din yung angle ng pang advance. So yung sa akin is average type lang yan. Yan. So it's 15 reps and then 3 sets. So 15 reps then 3 sets. So 15 repetition yan guys. So yan. Oops. Ganda niyan, para ka lang naglalaro. Pero pag piniperform mo yan in actual, so talagang mahihirapan ka. So it's 15 reps. Then last natin na abs workout is isa sa pinaka gusto ko rin na abs workout is planking. So sa planking na to guys is umabot kasi ito ng 3 minutes. Usually 3 minutes talaga yung 3 minutes talaga yung usual ko na planking. So kaso nga lang this time is lumampas tayo sa oras, so kailangan natin fast forward. So fast forward natin yan. So that ends our video, our gym workout for today. So see you the next video. So like, follow, subscribe, and share, comment. So see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.